answer the time one first. It's hard, right? And it depends on your capacity, but marketing is so important and you have to look at it as an investment more so than just, something that you need to do or a cost center. So the investment is something that you need to do a lot of time setting up, but you can't forget about it and you need to keep tweaking. So it's really hard to put I guess, a number on that, but I just want to mention that it does require time and it's not something you can set and forget. But when you look at the monetary, it's going to depend a lot on your market and a lot of the status of the facility. So if it's in a highly competitive and you're a lease up market, you might have like 5 to 7% of your revenue is going to be marketing dollars, right? If you're in a more rural and you're in a stabilized, it might be, closer to like a 2.5 or 3% of your annual revenue. So I would say in that 3 to 7%, depending on where your facility is. It's kind of a big range, but there's a lot of factors that play into that.
Either way, I think it's important that you treat it as an actual line item in your expenses.
Oh,
And a lot of owners, I think, take the opposite approach of like, if I have leftover money, then I'll do something with marketing, especially if it's a big project and they aren't putting enough emphasis on, I actually have to budget a marketing spend. It is necessary, even when I'm 90%, 95%, 90, I like you still have to be relevant and you still have to be feeding that marketing funnel all the time. And it actually deserves a placement in your budget.